Good morning, students. Today we will be taking GK period once again. So I have already uploaded your GK period in this portal. So in order to download the GK, you first need to go to class 8, then go to general knowledge. So here is the PDF of chapter 1, full PDF. You can download it. So it is quite slow. Let's make it a little bit clear. Okay. Now is it visible? So let's start. So these are colorful and vibrant India. So these are Rajasthan. Okay, name these incredible landmarks across 3 states. Some are natural wildlife, natural, while some are man-made marvels. So these are the popular places of 3 states: Rajasthan, then Jammu and Kashmir, then another state is Karnataka. Okay, so first we will discuss about famous places of Rajasthan. This might be natural or man-made, made by the human or which are formed by natural. So Royal Rajasthan. So I have already written the answer because most of the students are not having their textbook. So I have just written the answer. So I might give some assignment. So first of all, let's start from the first. So this one, can you see this picture? This is Amber Fort and Palace in Jaipur. Okay, also in Rajasthan. So located in Amir, 11 km from the Jaipur, built by Raja Man Singh I, made of red sandstone and marble. So this palace is made by Raja Man Singh, and it is on Amber Fort and Palace. This place name is Amber Fort and Palace. Can you see the huge size of this palace? Is very big. So some kings are staying there. This is called Raja. Is Raja stands for king. Then comes number 2. Ranthambore Ranthambore National Park, Tiger Reserve. Okay, Ranthambore is a tiger reserve, means they used to save tigers and used to store on that location. So Ranthambore is a national park for tiger reserve, means saving tigers on that place. So one of the largest national park in North India, means on Rajasthan, located in the Sawai Madhopur district of the southeastern Rajasthan, most famous for its diurnal tiger active during the day. So these tigers are called diurnal tigers. These tigers, okay. So these tigers are called diurnal tigers. So the national park is called as Ranthambore, one of the largest national park in North India. So try to remember all this and learn it. So it might come as fill in the blanks. Okay, this Ranthambore might not be given. I will just say name the national park in which is located in Suwai Modhpur district of Rajasthan, southeastern Rajasthan. So you need to name this one. Okay, name this one Ranthambore. I won't write as run then space. I would just put as fill in the blanks. Okay, so try to learn it very thoroughly. Then number 3, this one is also a palace, and inside the train, palace on wheels, luxury train running from Delhi through this state of Rajasthan take takes you into the past on the personal railway coaches of the former ruler of the princely state of Gujarat and Rajputana, the Viceroy of British India and the Nazim of Hyderabad. So Palace on Wheel, luxury train running from Delhi to the state of Rajasthan. So this train is a luxurious train. Okay, so this train is a luxurious train, runs between Delhi to Rajasthan takes you into the bus on the personal railway coaches former ruler. So this is a personal train line state of Gujarat and Rajputana, the viceroy of British India, the Nazim of Gujarat. So it runs between Gujarat and Rajputana, the viceroy of the British India and the Nazim of Hyderabad. Okay. So we won't discount much today. So we will stop here. Okay.